Started a business and you're at the point now where you're thinking about creating a website for your business. Then you have to make a decision. Do you want to do it yourself or do you want to hire someone to have it professionally done? Here are just a few questions to ask yourself when weighing that decision. One, are you tech savvy? Website is an online representation of your business. It should look professional. It should look credible. So if you've never created a website before, is this something that you want to do for your business for the first time? Creating a website for the first time, there is a slight learning curve, especially, it really depends on which platform you are using to build your website. And yes, a lot of these platforms are very user-friendly. And if you take the time, if you spend the time to learn the platform, how to use, how to build the pages, then definitely. Number two, do you have the time? Do you have the time to dedicate creating a website for your business? If it's a one-page website and you pick a platform that is user-friendly, then definitely go for it. You just need one page to show the capabilities of your service that you provide, then go for it. You can build a website in a day. Three, are you planning to maintain your website once it's up and running? Are you going to be able to update your website? Are you going to be able to assure that your website is secure and has the latest software? And then you also have to consider search engine optimization, SEO. You have a website, but do you also want to be found on Google or other search engines? Last but not least, do you even want to do it? Yeah, you may be a do-it-yourselfer. You want to do all the things for your business, but do you want to build your own website? Do you want to manage it and maintain it yourself? Those are just some things you want to consider when choosing if you want to find someone to build your website for you or if you want to do it yourself. If you are considering hiring a website designer, that is a service that I provide as well. And I also teach how to build a website and as well as maintain it. And if you want to work with me, check the comments on how to connect.